Hello students, and welcome to topic 10 of alternative and renewable energy sources. We will be covering the solar thermal systems and components, worksheet 10A. You are to work the activity along with the recording. On worksheet 10A, with the information in the Solar Rating and Certification Corporation technical sheet for a Solar Heart Model L, we are to draw the straight line efficiency curve, find F sub R, absorptivity, transmissivity, and F sub R U sub L. We are to estimate the values for F sub R and U sub L. We are determining the efficiency when the inlet water temperature is equal to 115 degrees Fahrenheit and the ambient air temperature is equal to 20 degrees Fahrenheit and the solar radiation is equal to 225 BTUs per foot squared per hour. Also, to determine the stagnation temperature when the ambient air temperature is equal to 20 and the solar radiation is equal to 225 BTUs per square foot per hour, and we are to draw the incident angle modifier. On slides 3, the portion of the technical sheet is expanded that shows the intercept and slope of the straight line equation of the efficiency. The y-intercept is 0.641 and the slope is minus 1.187. We will use these values to plot the curve. On slide 4, it's a view of an Excel sheet. The values of the y-intercept and the slope are entered. Values for the x, which are T water in minus T ambient divided by the solar radiation, are entered ranging from 0 to 0.5. The formula for the values of y are entered. The formula is shown on the formula bar. The cell is then dragged down to complete the formula for all the values down to and including 0.5. On slide 5, the values for both x and y are highlighted, and the insert button is clicked. A drop-down box on slide 5 and we click on this scatter graph. The graph title and axis are added and inserted and shown on slide 7. The values for F sub R, absorptivity, transmissivity, and F sub R U sub L, which are respectively the y-intercept and the slope of the straight line efficiency equation, are given on slide 8. The value of the transmissivity is given and is greater than 90%. The value for the absorptivity is given in slide 9. The values for the transmissivity and absorptivity are used in slide 10 to calculate the values for F sub R and F sub U to be respectively 0.554 and 2.143. In slide 11, the efficiency is calculated to be 14%, with the inlet temperature equal to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, the ambient temperature equal to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and the solar radiation to be 225 BTUs per foot squared hour. The efficiency is set to 0 in the efficiency equation in slide 12. The stagnation temperature is calculated to be 141.5 degrees Fahrenheit. On slide 13, the instant angle modifier is highlighted. The more the angle varies from perpendicular, which is stated to be 0 degrees, the less the solar radiation is absorbed. The modifier is plotted on slide 14. If there are any questions, please post them on the eLearn help discussion.